busy day shipping our new 11 Labs MCP server, I just realized it has all the tools it needs to create an agent and make an outbound call to order me some food to the office. So I'm going to prompt it here to create the agent using conversational AI, make an outbound call to my local pizza restaurant, which in this case is just my phone, and let's see what happens. So it's checking the voices available, which hopefully it is. So it's now creating out the agent, it's building out the personality for this conversation. And at each step, it's also checking to make sure that I give it permission to run the tool. So I'm going to give it permission to list my phone numbers in 11 Labs. And now finally, the permission to make the outbound call to my phone, which is right here.
Hi, I'd order a pizza.
Hi there, what would you like to order?
I'd like to order a margarita pizza, please. Also, I'd like to pay by card on delivery.
That's perfect. It'll be with you in about 10 minutes and it'll be £12.
That sounds great. Is there any way you could do it for £10?
We can do £10.
Amazing, thank you. The delivery address is 11 Labs HQ in London.
Sounds great. We'll be there in 10 minutes.
Perfect. If possible, could I also ask for extra basil on the pizza?
Yes, we can do the extra basil.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
So that was me literally ordering a margarita pizza from within Claude with extra basil. I can't wait to see what you do using our new 11 Labs MCP server.
Requested feature of the WhatsApp MCP server is support of audio files, so voice notes, images, and videos, such as this one from Paul. And we've now shipped that. So I can ask it, what's the most recent message from Paul? It will then search my contacts to find the chat with Paul. It will then get that last message. Great. And this new feature, it will give me the option to download the audio message. We've also now shipped the 11 Labs MCP server, which gives you speech to text, so it can transcribe and play the messages. So transcribe it. And what that will do, it will use the metadata of the message to download the media file, and then it will save that locally and transcribe it using speech to text. Hey Luke, when will the WhatsApp MCP server support audio messages? So I'm going to do reply from today. Use the voice Brian. And what this is going to do is going to use text-to-speech from 11 Labs to generate that audio note, and then it's going to send it back. So there you can see it's called the tool text-to-speech, passing in the voice Brian. It's created that, and now it's sending it.
From today.
Thank you. I'm excited to see what you'll build with the updated WhatsApp MCP server, as well as the new 11 Labs MCP server.
Supabase goes hand in hand with industry-leading AI tools, enabling a whole new generation of builders to create anything they can imagine. Today, we're launching the official Supabase MCP server to make building full-stack applications with AI easier than ever. Tools like Lovable, Bolt, and V0 allow you to generate beautiful UIs using a single text prompt. And with their first-party integrations with Supabase, you can spin up a dedicated project to handle all of those back-endy bits like hosting a database, auth, serverless edge functions, file storage, and real-time subscriptions. For editors like Cursor and Windsurf, we've published a set of AI rules to help guide your AI model of choice into using Supabase the right way, generating high-quality code, and avoiding common pitfalls. Today, we're launching the official Supabase MCP server. MCP allows you to connect your favorite AI-powered IDE, like Cursor or Windsurf, directly to Supabase. This means you never have to leave your IDE, even to interact with your Supabase project. You can design tables, populate them with example seed data, and write complex RLS policies, all while having a chat with your AI agent. As you build out your app, your editor will now understand the full context of your database, so your tables, columns, and relationships, so your AI agent has everything it needs to write accurate, performant, and secure code. In the future, we'll add even more Supabase-specific functionality, like creating and deploying edge functions or uploading files to your storage buckets directly from your text prompt. We are super excited about the tight integration between Supabase and this new generation of AI tools, and we can't wait to see what you build.